Hi everyone. Yes, yesterday we start with business barriers to communication and their causes. Now today we continue this topic, barriers of communication, right? So some barriers we can explain yesterday. Now today fourth barriers, that is a very important barrier in communication, that is physical barrier, right? Physical barrier, in this physical barrier, number one point, that is most it's create most complicated to our communication. So number one point, that is noise, time and distance. So noise, times and distance is a very important, very major obstacle in our communication, right? If the loud noise of any factories or industries are in our time, oral communication time, so it gets several problems. We cannot hear about these types of loud or noise, right? Secondly, time and distance, it creates also problems in our communication, right? It's also creates communication problem. The message transmitted finally over the taking a long distance, covering the geographically and climate conditions, right? So when these conditions, or we can say ki this types of communication, distances, long distances or times, smooth flow of communication gets destroyed because of this noise, times and distance element, right? So this is the physical type of barrier. Then second one, that is a very important effect in this physical barrier, that is known as halo effect. What? Halo effect, right? So halo effect, what is halo effect? When two or more persons are involved in common process, right? They are involved in common process, but they their thoughts are different, their points, their views are different, and reaction to the senders returns in a controversy, because they both the one or two or more persons, they have different views, different ideas, different opinions. So this gives way to a great delay of controversy between by the, because the receiver decoding the message. So when the receiver decoding the message to their own perception, thus the effectiveness of the messages depend on their mutual understanding. फाइनली जो डिस्कशन होगा, इट इज़ डिपेंड अपॉन अ म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज विच इज़ कॉल्ड एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज अवर हेलो इफेक्ट, राइट? दिस type of communication when it's create, so this is known as halo effect. Okay, so second one is point is halo effect. Then third is mechanical problem of transmission, right? So a poor transmission, if a transmission is a poor, so it may we can say it may convert, or it may cause noise and adversely effect in our communication, right? So these types of barriers are created in our we can say physical barriers, right? So these are related with our physical barriers. Or in this type of barriers we can also include finance related obstacles, ki sometimes there are some issues regarding finance, so they are also create communication barrier, right? So these all are our we can say physical barriers. Then next barrier, that is we can say personal barriers or interpersonal barriers, right? It is known as personal barrier or interpersonal barrier. So personal barriers are, we can say कि these problems arises is in an interpersonal context, represent the factor that the hinder proper mutual understanding between receiver and sender, right? Because communication process are starting through our sender and receiver, they are the most important element in our communication process. So personal interpersonal barriers or personal barriers, they are related. So first point, that is we can say seniors officers related barriers. Okay, in this type of context we say ki attitude of senior officer, what type of attitude he can regard in their organization. Fear of status, ki what fear of seniority officer status, ki how can you treat us right? Then proper medium, senior officer, he should which type of medium he or she whatever they are communicate in our organization. So proper medium, it should be proper or not. Lack of time, how many time he spent with their employees or he give their employees, right? Then lack of interest, which type of he or she can motivate their interest, motivate their employees, right? So these type of personal barriers, or we can say they are also related with the senior officers obstacles, right? Then second one in this type of lack of mutual understanding. What can we say, generally say ki if the relationship between sender and receiver is nice, its tone, its language, and the very communicated, if it is suspected, to suspected, sorry, or to its understanding, so it made difficult. If its tone is not nice, he say not in a proper way, or the contrary, the subordinating having we can say strained, not a heavy relationship, so it may be it creates a barrier between lack of mutual understanding, right? Ki they have no mutual understanding between sender and receiver, or we can say employers and employees, or in our organization. So if this type of barrier it is also in created personal barriers. Then as like lack of mutual understanding, as like we can say problems due to subordinates, it is also parts of we can say senior officers. So lack of personal intensive, he cannot pay proper personal intensive to us. Lack of inspirations, he cannot inspire to us, he cannot motivate to us, he or she may be anyone, he or she. So these are the problems that are in the form of we can say it is a problem related to personal problems or interpersonal barriers, right? Now finally a barrier that is related with this type of barrier, that is cultural barrier, right? So cultural barrier, culture provide, we all are know कि culture provide the way of the seeing, hearing, or another words कि we can say कि thus the same words we can mean different things to people in the different cultures when they talk, their languages, their dress, their appearances, their other and translation, the potential for misunderstanding. So when this type of misunderstanding or miscommunication is created, so then their culture barriers are started. So according to this part we can say as way in culture behavior constraints ki behavior constraint ki this is influenced by our values, right? Our values, our morals, our behavior, कि each culture has its own rule. We all are know कि some cultures they are about different rules, different moral values. So the what types of they affect their verbally and non-verbally. So whenever whatever we look the other person in their eye or not, whatever one say the means we can say talks around the issues, how to close the people stand to each other, what they are talking, all these are means ki what are their behavior, politeness, that are which different from culture to culture. So these are all the barriers that are related from behavior constituent, right? So and modern technology, if there are many changes in this modern era, so some peoples there are who are in old concept, old traditional way, so they cannot accept it generally the culture which they cannot accept it this. So this types of barriers are also included in this culture barrier, okay? So these all are the barriers of our communication, right? And we all are in which types of barriers that are included overall communication part, we all study about this. Or if we say कि how can we remove these barriers, so simply our objectives were clear, or we should use clear language, effective listening, it should also important, suitable environment कि no noise, times and distance, role of body language, it should be must, complete messages should be complete, less the noise, proper use of feedback, means the media of which we should use the feedback, it should be conducted, it should be properly. So these all are our barriers. Now this topic is over, our communication barriers, it should be over, right? I think in this our syllabus these types of barriers. Or lastly, psychological barriers, if we study about yesterday or not, I can check. Emotional, psychological, language barriers, we can study language, emotionals, right? Organizational barriers, cultural barriers, or there are also some psychological barriers. So psychological barriers are also sensory, as like sensory limitations, negative attitude and emotions. If persons have having negative thinking or negative types of their effectiveness, so they destroyed to satisfy their own view of life. Then as like limited selectivity, if people select those which are of interest to them, so they ignore such of other people's other things. So limited selectivity is also a part of these psychological barriers. Or we can say quick closure, कि people tend to close their mind, lose intent in the communication target. So the target of openness of or the degree of closure of mind naturally varies from individual to individual. This based upon the interest and basis of the individual needs, right? So they all are our barriers. And this is now over. Okay, point, if we wrote in whiteboard, main heading, main points, what barriers we can read. Okay, I can write in whiteboard. Types of barriers of communication, right? So barriers to communication, we can say also it barriers to communication and cause, right? So it's number 1. I only written in the point to point, number 1 2 3 4 5 6, because I already explained you all barriers, right? So number 1, that is our barrier we should read, semantic or language barrier. In this barrier there are some few points which I explained you: badly or wrong, badly or wrongly express message, right? Number 2 point, faulty translation, faulty translation. Number 3, uncleared preconcepts, concepts. Number 4, unclarified sorry, poster. Okay, sorry. Semantic differences, use of technical language, use of technical language. Poor expressions skills, and wrong media choice, wrong media choice. I think students, there are several barriers, or 6 or 7 barriers, or as like it's there are different their classification, their points. So I think I again continue this video tomorrow. Okay, I again wrote all these types of written this all types of barriers of communication in next tomorrow video. Okay, so thank you so much.